welcome back to my channel. This is Carl with you, and today I'm going to do a shopping overhaul of Nature Republic and Aqua Flask. First, let's open the Nature Republic. Ito kasi yung Nature Republic, bumili kasi kami ng sister ko dahil may photo book ng NCT 127. So, kailangan ka ng 3,000 pesos to spend for the photo book. So, pinush ko na lang na mag-buy ng photo book. So, yes. Ang dami naming nabili kasi parang pwede sana isang snail skin set yung bibilihin namin. Kaso parang hindi naman namin magagamit. So, ito yung binili ng sister ko. Sika Serum Cover Cushion. Ewan ko, para sa kanya to. Dahil parang majority ng binili namin, siya lang yung gagamit. Ito rin, parang for the eyebrows daw. At yung lip tint niya, parang kulay orange yung lip tint. So, the next na binili ko para sa sarili ko, itong rosemary mint na shampoo dahil nakakapag deep cleanse daw siya kasi medyo ma-sebum kasi yung hair ko. So, ito yung binili namin. At ito rin, kasi parang hindi na namin alam kung ano yung another thing na we will buy. So, etong Pure Cherry Blossom na emulsion, I haven't tried yet. Etong emulsion, hindi ko pa natatry sa face ko. So, medyo maganda naman yung kulay, kaya binili ko siya. And etong, ano to? Bamboo Charcoal Mud Pack. Eto, yung sister ko rin yung bumili nito dahil gusto daw niya yung parang may pamad-mad yung face niya. Kahit hindi naman, ano yan, kailangan. At eto yung freebie na binigay nila. Oh, tingnan nyo. Hindi ko pa ito na-open dahil nag-promise ako sa sarili ko na mag-gawa ng vlog ng parang overhaul lang, parang gema-gema. Kasi medyo mahal din yung na-spend kong money etong mga stuff na to. So, ita-try ko lang mag-open. And, so dalawang packaging pala to. So, mamaya ko na lang ito ipapakita sa inyo. Ipapakita ko rin yung Aqua Flask na parang jug ko, water jug. Ito yung kulay, parang peach orange. I'm not sure kung ito ba talaga yung kulay niya. It looks good and I like it because I like the color. So, yan yung binili ko. At ipapakita ko rin sa inyo etong photo book. I'm not really a big fan of NCT 127 because the NCT unit that I am actually studying is wavy. And I think I was just convinced to buy because obviously when I buy albums, the prices in the album, aside from the CD, is the photo book. So when you buy K-pop albums, there are a lot of photo books, which I really like. And I think this time, I really want to delve into NCT 127. I don't really have a specific bias, but I think my bias is Mark Lee because I was born in August and he's a Leo like me. So let's open the album. Hopefully, yes. So parang excited ako mag-open. There's a plastic stuff here. Like a cover and so parang masulit siya. Maganda rin. Parang may stickers din. Wow. Ganda pala ng photo book. So parang nakaka-enjoy siya. I like the layout. The photo book is magazine size, so medyo the pictures are actually big, so I think I like it. So I'm not actually going to show you all the pictures because there are videos about it online. I'm actually happy that I actually bought around 3,000 worth of Nature Republic money for this one. So at least it's going to add up one of my collections. I really have a lot of collections of stuff in my room. So I'm actually filming in our dining area because it has good lighting. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, although it's actually very short and non-essential. So see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.